How to paint small nails to look larger. Are you jealous of all of your friends' long, beautiful nails? Well, you can figure out how to get the same look with short nails and cute styles that only work with your types of nails if you read this article. Method 1: Making your nails look naturally long. 1. Use acetone on your nails. Some nail polish removers are acetone-free, but the ones that include acetone are the best because it is a common treatment and it introduces good bacteria into your nails which spread calcium, stretching out the keratin. 2. Care for your cuticles. Moisturize your hands, and then apply cuticle oil so that you can push your cuticles back. Then, when you paint your nails, there will be more space to paint that your cuticles are no longer covering. 3. Apply a clear or nude nail paint. The clear polish gives your nails a nice layer of shine, and it allows people to see and appreciate your nails for their new long length. The nude polish not only makes your nails look longer, but it also makes your fingers look longer. Method 2: Using press-on nails. 1. File your nails. You want a bit of an edge to give the fake nails more to hold on to. If your nails are still longer than the fake ones, trim them, but wash them as soon as you are done. 2. Use a nail buffer and buff your nails. This will create a slightly rough surface, making it easier for the fake nails to adhere. Wipe off the dust, and remember that a thorough hand care routine can remove the roughness later on. 3. Apply glue to your nail and the press-on nail. Then, carefully place the press-on nail on top of your real nail. You can file them to whatever length you desire. Method 3: Add a design that makes them look longer. 1. Consider an easy vertical stripe. These make your nails appear to be taller, and you can just use a thin section of tape. Paint over it, and then peel the tape off once the polish dries. 2. Add tiny polka dots. You can do these with a nail art pen or a super thin nail polish brush. These designs will make it appear like your nail is big, and the decals are spread out. 3. Try a reverse French manicure. This will draw attention away from your tips, and make your nails seem much larger. You don't even have to grow your nails out. Tips: When letting your nails dry, be sure to wait a long time as they can smudge easily and you will have to start all over again. Short nails look good with darker colors, but if you want them to appear long, use lighter hues. Make sure you apply polish that's of a good quality. Cheap polish will chip off easily and will look messy or not as neat. Wait 2 minutes in between applying each coat, base, color, and top coat. This will keep the nails in good shape for the longest possible time. Warnings: Take your time when you push your cuticles back, or else you can get a hangnail. Make sure that you do not use too much acetone, or else you can harm your nail and add flakes. Use popular brands, or else your nails can chip along with the nail polish, becoming even shorter.